Hey everyone, I'm Heinz, and welcome back to another video from SIC Forex. And in today's video, we'll be looking at the trading results of TraderFX Algo. Now, TraderFxBot is available for MetaTrader 4, and I've been running it using an FBS Real account for the past 4 weeks. And from this, we've already seen an absolute gain of 34.47% with a maximum drawdown of 42%. On top of this, the EA shows to be using multiple strategies on the same trading instrument. For example, I've seen it using scalping entries and also swing trading entries, holding a trade for a day trading parameter of more than an hour sometimes to get the most out of that specific trade. However, before moving forward, if you find any part of this video helpful, I'm going to ask you to drop it a like, also subscribe to stay updated with future content. Now, more than any other scalper, the EA employs advanced machine learning systems in the background. This helps it to target different levels of take profit during different trading cycles. For example, on the last Friday, where we had a total profit of $563, it had a stop loss for this trade of 290 or 380 pips. And then on the other side, it had a very, very big take profit. Now, a 1 to 10 take profits to stop loss ratio is very good for a trade that is completely automated. Now, out of the 143 trades placed so far, it has only won 48%. However, the average win equates to $94.35 and the average loss only to $64. And we'll see often that the EA places trades that have a better risk to reward ratio than 1 to 2, grabbing the maximum amount of profits for us from the market. Now, recently, the algo has been updated with new stop loss and take profit criteria, and since then, it has shown the powerful capabilities of this trading EA. Now, we can see from the chart that this is an HFT style robot or high frequency trading, as we do have multiple trades each day. And we'll see from past results that even though we don't have a very high win rate, we do have a great risk to reward ratio. Overall, I've been impressed with how the bot has approached different trading scenarios over the past 4 weeks, showing us how it handles news, different events, and even sudden moves. Now, after the update with that where we had multiple losses, there's been a few major adjustments. Now, the big thing about this trading algo is that you don't need to adjust any of the settings. All of the main algo settings are adjusted by the developer to improve all of our trading results. All of this means is you simply need to drag and copy the EA to your chart and it will immediately do the rest. Now, after this Friday where we had a few losses, we made a few minor adjustments. The lot multiplier was decreased from 2 to 1.5, increasing the multiplier count that we can reach up to 12. This means that we can now go into 12 negative trades before the system finally runs out. Now, if we look at the different performance, we can now also compare it to the myfxbook of the author. This means we're going to head to the myfxbook account of TraderFxBot and verify their trades. And the first thing that I notice is that their drawdown percentage is quite similar to ours, with their absolute gain at 91.67% with a maximum drawdown of 44.25. This means a monthly gain of over 32.83%, or a total profit of $4,583.37. They've been able to generate this on this account since the 1st of May 2024, so this signal is a little bit older than ours. And what we can additionally learn from the signal is we can now go and look at the trade history. Remember that it's a main algo that works as a signal service, so you'll see that all of the trades are exactly the same as ours. So they actually got a little bit more profit out of the last trade with over 3,000 pips in that specific trade on gold. Now you'll see here from the multiplier that has changed that it now uses a 1.5 when a trade goes against us. and this gives me further confidence to continue running the robot, as I prefer a slightly smaller multiplier which is a bit more conservative. Now, if we compare the Signal account from TraderFxBot that's running on an XNES account to mine that is running on FBS markets, we'll see that these two compare quite well. I am currently at a maximum drawdown of 42.05%, which is quite high. However, that's to be expected for an absolute gain of 34.47%. The high drawdown is okay because it's earning a high return. Currently, our profit is sitting at $1,723.49 out of all of the trades that have been placed. And if we look at these last couple of trades, you'll see that if we go to the history tab again, it matches exactly that of the author. This shows me that it doesn't matter where we are trading this EA, that it will work with multiple brokers. Moving forward, I am planning on running it on a few different accounts, so if you'd like to stay updated and see how TraderFxBot EA performs, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, the last myfxbook that I would like to cover is the aggressive option, because moving forward, we might look at doing another version of the EA and running it on a different account. The one that I'm currently running at FBS is set to an almost conservative-like trading pattern. However, if we explore a more aggressive option, what would the results look like? Now, thankfully, the TraderFxBot team have already created a signal in the past that run on more aggressive settings. So if we go under my watch tab and look for the aggressive signal, we'll see what that would look like. Again, we see a drawdown of 47.26%, so that shows us the maximum drawdown. This account had an absolute gain of 111% and 43, or a total profit of $50,684.69. Now, this is taking a bit more of an aggressive approach using TraderFxBot, increasing the lot sizing according to something where we can look for higher returns. At the moment, if we look at our 4-week return of 34.47, I'm happy using it as is. It is showcasing to me what the different styles and environments the bot realizes and then adjusts according to those specific criteria. Sometimes scalping the market for a couple of pips here and there, and other times holding a trade for multiple hours for those really big wins. Now, for those of you that want to stay updated with the latest information about TraderFxBot, you feel free to join their Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, they offer polls, different options, as well as verified trading results. The verified trading results include some of the myfxbook accounts we've looked at in this video. And on top of this, we can see here some of the performance on the XNES account. So if you'd like to start to take your trading to the next level, make sure to take advantage of TraderFxBot today. If you haven't already, I invite you to visit their website and take a look at some of the different trading options based on your account size that they have available. On top of this, I've negotiated for $15 off for the first month, so make sure to use the promo code listed on the screen right now. Now, this advanced XAU trading robot is currently available to the public, so make sure to take advantage of it today. And with all of that said, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop it a like. Until next time, bye.